Hello and welcome to ESM Insights Hub, video number 3. In our last video, we helped buyers solve the haystack problem. That is, how to choose the right ESM platform when there are dozens of options. But here's the flip side. If you are a pre-sales professional, a solution consultant, you are one that helping buyers navigate that haystack. And the difference between a deal you win and a deal you lose often comes down to one thing. Not your demo skills, not your product features, but your discovery. Let's be honest. Most discovery questions in our industry are broken, and they fall into three common traps. Trap number one, the feature dump. You ask the buyer for their requirements, then immediately jump into showing features. The result, you become just another vendor comparison for them. Price becomes the only differentiator. The questionnaire runway, you walk in with a list of 20 scripted questions, you read them one by one, the buyer gives short answers, you leave with a filled checklist but zero real insight into their pain, their politics, or their priorities. And then the third, demo first trap. You are so excited about your platform that you skip discovery entirely. You say, let me just show you. You'll love it. But you end up solving problems they don't have while missing the ones they do. Every one of these approaches hurts your win rate. Let me show you a better way. Here's the mindset shift that separates great pre sales professionals from average ones. The average seller mindset is like, let me walk into a discovery thinking I need to prove my product is better than the competition. But the trusted advisor walks in thinking I need to understand their world deeply enough to prescribe their right approach. And if that happens to be my platform, great. But first, I need to diagnose the problem. This isn't just philosophy, it's a strategy. When you act as a trusted advisor, the buyer invites you deeper into their organization. They share their real pain, the political challenges, the budget constraints, the executive pressures. That intel is gold, and it only comes when you have earned the right to ask for it. Over years of working with winning pre-sales team, I have distilled great discovery into five core questions. Not a script, it's five categories that every great discovery must cover. Number one is context. What's changing in your organization that's driving this evaluation? This tells you whether this is a proactive initiative or a reactive firefight. It tells you the business driver. Two, pain. What's the specific problem you are trying to solve? And what have you tried so far? This reveals whether they truly understand their own problem and what solutions they have tried and failed before. Three, impact. What happens if you don't solve this? What's the cost of doing nothing? This is where you uncover the real stakes. If doing nothing is cheap, your deal is weak. If doing nothing costs millions, urgency exists. 4. Vision. If the project succeeds perfectly, what does success looks like 12 months from now? This helps you design a demo that maps to their vision, not your feature list. And number 5, decision. Who else is involved and how will you make the call? This question uncovers the buying committee, the politics, and the evaluation criteria you need to address. All these five questions, that's the core. Everything else is just digging deeper into these five areas. Here's the difference between surface level discovery and deep discovery. A surface level discovery is, do you use ITEL process? The answer is yes, and you learn nothing. A deep probe is, tell me about your incident management process today and what's working and what's frustrating your team. Now you get a story, you get emotion, you get the real pain. Another example is AI important to you? Everyone says yes. Instead, ask, when you say AI, what specific problem are you hoping AI will solve for your service desk? If they can't answer, they don't have a real AI need yet. If they give you a detailed answer, you know exactly what to demo. The best pre sales professionals don't just ask questions, they probe. They follow the thread. They ask, tell me more about that, at least three times per answer. That's where the gold is. Here's the golden rule of pre-sales. Your discovery should write your demo. If you did great discovery, you should be able to storyboard your entire demo before you open the platform. Let's look at an example. If your discovery reveals that the VP of IT is frustrated, that level 1 resolution takes 3 days, or your demo scene should show AI powered intelligent routing and auto resolution, not a generic here's our ticketing system. If the HR director can't get IT to prioritize their service catalog request, your demo should show cross department ESM capabilities with shared workflows. Prove that your platform breaks silos. If the CIO needs a single dashboard for enterprise-wide service health, your demo should show executive reporting with XLAs, not just IT metrics. Every scene in your demo should trace back to something a stakeholder told you during discovery. When you do that, every person in the room feels seen, and seen buyers buy. Let me share three common mistakes I see pre-sales professionals make during discovery and how to fix each one. Number one, talking to only one stakeholder. The IT manager loves your platform, but the CFO thinks you are too expensive, and you have never even met the CFO. The fix: ask for access early. Say, to make sure a demo addresses everyone's priorities, who else should I speak with? Mistake number two, asking questions you should already know the answer to. Don't waste discovery time asking what industry they are in and how many employees they have. Do your homework before the call. Every question you ask should go deeper than what's publicly available. Mistake number three, not confirming understanding before moving on. The buyer says AI and you immediately jump into your AI pitch, but they meant something completely different. Maybe automation, maybe analytics. The fix would be paraphrase and confirm. Say, let me make sure I understand. When you say AI, you mean this. Am I getting that right? These three fixes alone will elevate your discovery quality by 50% or more. This is exactly why ESM Insights Hub exists for provider community. We offer pre-sales methodology training, structured programs for solution consultants and sales engineers who want to move from feature pushers to trusted advisors. We do deal coaching and strategy sessions. We shadow your active deals, review your discovery notes, and help you shape the narrative before the demo. Also, we provide discovery and demo scorecards, a relatable framework to evaluate and continuously improve your team's pre-sales execution. If your organization wants to increase win rates and shorten sales cycle, this is how we help. All right. In our next video, we're going to take everything we learned about discovery and turn it into a demo that actually closes deals. We'll cover demo storyboarding, that before and after narrative, and how to handle the dreaded "can you just show me" curveball. That's coming up next on ESM Insights Hub. Thank you for watching. If you are in pre-sales and you found this valuable, hit subscribe. We're building a community of pre-sales professionals who believe in consultative selling and real expertise. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below. What's your go-to discovery question that always uncovers real buyer pain? Let's share and learn from each other. And if your organization wants to invest in pre-sales excellence, reach out. Let's talk. See you in the next video where we design a demo that actually closes deals.